Hey guys, haven't vlogged in a while because of all the craziness and really haven't been feeling like it, just working and then resting on my day off. But I just went ahead and got me a caramel iced macchiato and some Subway for lunch. Can't wait to eat it and get this day started. It's so magical. Just love this beautiful view. So pretty. May not have had fireworks for the 4th of July, but not a bad view. I just made some breakfast, guys. Some avocado toast, some orange juice. And time to go ahead and start eating this food. You know, this food is just so good. I just love it. Out to shoot some content and look at this. It's so beautiful. Going to another lake nearby. But it's so windy too, so I need to walk down. My family's walking down. Just wanted to shoot some quick content, but such a beautiful day. Look at this tree. Look at the view, guys. It's just so pretty. I totally need to get some selfies right now, but I just wanted to share with you guys a little hack. So this is a little crossbody bag, and I went ahead and bought this clear pouch from Shein, or you guys can get it from Etsy, and you just go ahead and put your little luxury brand little thing in there, and ta-da, you guys got yourself a new little wristlet. And I could put my phone in there when I'm not using it, and it just looks very bougie, but you don't have to wear it across your body. Now you got a wristlet, little hack. And yeah, it's just so pretty out today, guys. The view is just amazing, and we're like the only ones here, which is awesome. Beautiful day out, guys. I'm so blessed to go on this hike. Look how pretty it is. I hope quarantine is starting to go over where you live right now, but at this moment in time where I live, it's still kind of going on. You work, you go home, nothing's open, but this view, guys, beautiful. I feel so blessed, like nobody's out. So magical. And that's totally an Instagram spot right here. I want to take a photo there later, guys. My YouTube ass had to bring this heavy bag full of all my stuff, guys, my crossbody books and all the stuff I want to film to shoot content, but like, really? Did I have to bring this? I should have brought a backpack. I should know better by now, by so long in the mountains. You bring a backpack. Ooh, are there little ducks? It's funny, now I'm starting to see some people, guys, they probably think I'm some kind of tourist because of how I'm dressed too. And me just taking pictures constantly, but no, I'm a local. I'm just a influencer. But I don't know, guys, I should have totally brought a backpack so I don't have to just carry this heavy ass bag. I honestly, guys, can't wait until one day I'm manifesting. I'm gonna have my videographer slash photographer slash editor help me get so many good shots and photos of me. I know so many good locations where I live, guys, but until then, we got my awesome little brother Mason. Thank you for taking some cool shots of me.
Yeah.
And to my dad too, because he is all the way walking up this huge thing. It's like a really steep hill, guys, super steep. Put away all my crap that I was using to create content for my spiritual account and my book account and just my social media, you know, the stuff I post. So he's putting that away so we can go ahead and walk on the trail this way, because we just went that way and it was fun, but I'm just creating content and doing stuff, so I feel like this side it's just gonna be nice. We could just enjoy the walk without me lugging all my crap and shooting my stuff. It's so beautiful, guys. I just feel so blessed. My little oasis. guys, I'm home now and I'm super happy. I was in a good mood today. Like you guys saw, it was just so peaceful going on that little trail and that walk. It was just so nice and fun. But when I went to the grocery store, guys, I was crossing the street, like getting a car, and I was walking behind this car of this like old hag. We'll call her an old hag basically. And like everyone was like yelling at her like stop, because I walked in the back of her car because she looked kind of iffy and I didn't want to walk in front of her car because I'm like, she's going to run me over. So I'm walking behind her car to go get the cart, and then she's just backing up and it's like going to hit me and totally didn't look at me and look at me. I'm wearing this huge like big red Adidas shirt. You would have totally seen me if you actually checked your like directions you're supposed to check, and almost got ran over. Luckily I didn't. Thankfully, I was able to move away quick enough, but I'm like, really, people? There's just, with everything going on in the world, guys, I just haven't vlogged as much because I just haven't felt like the yearning of wanting to film because of everything. And I've just been working a lot more, and the days off I have, I do try to film some content for you, but it's more spiritual based content versus the fun stuff that I do want to film too. But I was like, this lady and so many people, guys, they just like park right up next to your car to where you can't even open, like on the line, and almost got run over by an old hag who wasn't looking where she was going. So that happened, and yeah, craziness, guys. Luckily I'm alive to tell the tale. Hey guys, I totally wanted to get a cool picture of this for Instagram, but look at it. My cone is so ugly looking, it's all fat. It's not all nice and tall like my other people. They got a cool cone, but mine's fat and chubby. Doesn't look cute. No Instagram today. Oh, but yeah, just on a little break, guys. Gonna eat my ice cream. Alright guys, do you remember when I told you I was gonna tell you about the stuff I got? So this Coach bracelet, a new one, and another one, but I totally forgot to wear it today. I was gonna vlog yesterday, but forgot to show you guys. So it's this new bracelet, and I got another one that's a little different. And this is my new ring, guys. It's so pretty. Let me get it to focus. So this is my new green amethyst ring, guys. It's Prasiolite green amethyst. There's also black amethyst and pink amethyst, but everyone knows it for purple. So I was super happy to get my green vibes going. It's so pretty. Love this baby. And yeah, I'm just chilling over on my lunch break. Got my soda, just ate my food. And yeah, new things I got, guys. I busted out these old necklaces too. I haven't worn them in a while. My triquetra and my angel aura quartz. Just chilling. Such a beautiful day out, guys. So beautiful. Just love the view. Just came over to Rite Aid, guys, and they literally have one of each of my nail polishes. I always get left. Only one left. Crazy. What else I found? They have sunscreen makeup. Like, that's crazy. So you won't get sunburn. This would have helped me in my birthday trip. Hello guys, I just got back home, and I meant on my birthday, like the day before my birthday, me and my friend went to the beach, and that foundation would have been perfect because it's sunscreen that's also foundation that would have protect your face from sunburn, because I totally forgot to go ahead and put sunscreen on my face that day and I got a little sunburn. But anyways, I was feeling kind of sick at the store, like a little bit tired, so I wasn't really vlogging. And then someone was like running over. I heard someone, so I'm like, I don't really want to vlog in public. It's been a hot minute, you know? But anyways, the fall decorations, guys. Fall is officially here. Definitely want some happy vibes in my room, guys. The Halloween and Christmas is some of my favorite time of the year, and when it's August, it's fall time for me, so it's almost gonna be August soon. I'm super excited. Just a couple more weeks of July, you know? I just want to go ahead and decorate and bring in that fun, abundant energy of that happy time. And yeah, this is some of the stuff I got at Rite Aid, guys. I went ahead and got that clear nail polish that I really needed because I always run out of this. So I got this, the last one. I got me my nude polish. And then I got me a new concealer. I hope this one's going to work good and help me cover those under eye bags that sometimes come through. So let's hope this makeup works. And while you wear the face mask, I could probably just do concealer all the way up and just do that for a while, you know, with wearing the face mask. Oh, Maleficent. You're so cute. Say hi to everyone. Say hi. You're so pretty. Come say hi. Cutie. Let's decorate, guys. Good morning, guys. So I'm getting ready right now. I'm being far away with this bright light and the beauty filter on my phone. You probably can't tell, but if you get close, I had all these red marks and stuff. I just covered up with my color corrector, and now I'm gonna go in with some concealer. This is so nice, guys. I need to film videos right here. I just look perfect. But in real life, I just need a little bit of face tuning, so I'm gonna use this Instant Age Rewind Eraser Multi-Use Concealer by Maybelline. Let's hope this will work, guys. I hope. I bought this e.l.f. concealer last time, and it just was not good, guys. This thing, oh wait, not that one. This one actually kind of worked. I should still use that one. I have a little bit left. But this e.l.f. concealer I bought is just like crap. This thing is so cakey, does not look good at all. And then this one, I think it's a cream. Just dropped it. This one's more of like a cream one, guys. This is a CoverGirl one. This one works, it blends in and everything, but it doesn't really cover my under eyes, which is the whole point of it. So it just brightens my under eye, but doesn't really erase the bag. So I need to maybe try something else. So we're gonna try this one. I guess you just give it a little twist until the product starts coming out onto this little sponge thing. So let's see how this thing works. Okay, now it's coming out. So I'm just gonna put this under my eye. And let's see how this stuff works. Alright guys, the concealer's on. Let's see how this works. I feel like I keep on getting like a really light concealer that's too light for my skin, so when I put the makeup on, it just makes me look really bright, which I kind of like too. But I feel like this concealer looks really dark on me, but now that I'm blending it in my skin, it's kind of blending in. Maybe I didn't make a bad choice after all, even though I look orange. Let's see. Hopefully this concealer works good. Fingers crossed. I hope it does. I don't know if you guys can really tell in the video, but it kind of worked. Just right here, I have these lines, and I kind of want to get rid of these two definition like line right there. So I don't know. It definitely wasn't a horrible concealer. The e.l.f. one was trash. This one, I give it like a 6.5. It did some brightening, but I don't know. I think I just need to stick with the bougie brands and get me that Tarte one that everyone talks about that's a good concealer. So I need to try the Tarte concealer. This NARS one, I want to use it, but around my lips it gets really sensitive, so I have to keep the makeup away from my lips before they turn all bright red. But you know what? On video it looks better than in real life. In real life you can still see a little bit of that mark, so I'm gonna go in with my old concealer too and try to conceal all of this and finish getting ready. Boom! Here we go, guys. So this lighting is just giving me an awesome Facetune effect, which I love. The concealer's not that bad, guys. I just got the wrong shade. I feel like I always get too much of a light shade on the concealer, and then I tried getting my golden tone match, and then I just look too orange now, so maybe because I've been inside a little bit, I'm not as tan, but crazy. I look a little orange. Me. But we're fine. We're just filming today, guys, and taking some photos, so with the lights and editing, we'll make it work. But I'm all dressed. I'm gonna do some Instagrams, because I've worn this short a couple times, but I haven't ever done an Instagram photo shoot in it, so I'm gonna take some photos in this, and just have an Instagram photo shoot day. I don't know if you guys see the shit I do for my Instagram, but like, oh, it's on selfie. Do you guys see me? Sandals, trying to get down to the spot, and oh my god, I'm literally falling. Ooh. The struggle, I swear. Blessed be angels. Ooh. The struggle. Oh my god, I'm not even kidding. Ooh. This is crazy. I do it to myself though, guys. I'm just wearing sandals. But like, I just need to come down here real quick, go cute little Instagram, get some sexy photos, you know. High priestess gotta be looking sexy. And then we go back inside real quick and we change our outfits, so the struggle to get down here was for real, but we're down now. Ooh, do you guys see this? It looks like an A in this. Kind of looks like an A right there, guys. I don't know if you could see it. Dang, we got all the angelic energy by me right now. Blessed be Ascended Masters. Please help me get these photos and not fall on my butt. But I'm just wanting to get some new Instagrams, guys, and look good. So I got my little outfit on with my suit, and I kind of wanted this on my shoulder to be trendy with my necklace showing, looking down like this, and maybe holding my little Coach clutch, because sometimes, well, actually I never take pictures with my like luxury accessories, guys, because I'm trying to get the photo taken of me, and I just kind of throw it on the side, and I don't know, I never get it, because this looks good, but I want to see how it looks with my like clutch. Bag got all dirty. I just threw my clutch in here real quick. I just like tossed it on the dirt in the bag, so I was thinking if I was like holding it like this or something, I was like looking down or whatever, that'd make a really cool Instagram. So I don't know, let's see how it looks, guys. Let's go ahead and get some Instagrams. Be sure to follow me at Eric Geary for my content, as well as following High Warlock of Reading for my Bookstagram account. Let's get these photos, guys. I've been overdue for some new content. Quarantine, getting back to work, and the world might shut down again. We need content while I look good. I also, yesterday, guys, gave myself a haircut. My dad fixed the hair trimmer because it got broken, so got my hairs trimmed and ready to create some content. I've been stuck inside being sick and everything, so it's so fun to finally get out on my day off and get some photos for you guys. So, and the struggle of getting the perfect shot, guys, it's hard because I'm literally on this steep hill in sandals. I thought it was going to be on the flat part of land right there, and I was going to do some quick shots, so should have worn some shoes, but even with shoes on, there's really like no grip, and it's hard to get like the right angle. And now there's too much sun, but I don't know, I want to get this shot, so let's hope we get it. Eek. When you watch Nikki and Gabby's challenge photo thingy, and when you try to do it yourself and you got no one to help you take the photo. Oh, the struggle, I tell you guys, to get the tripod to go there and finally get one photo of me like this without the clutch just happened. It happened, guys, and I keep on getting this angel ray, so I'm really excited. I got my guardian angel. Someone's here with me from the other side, but the struggle and this slope hill, like, I need to show you guys from my feet going down how dangerous this is, but you know what? We lived in the mountains for 10 years. We could wear sandals and do our thing. But yeah, getting my photos. And now we're gonna try it with the clutch. And I was stepping on the clutch and I was falling down and a lot of things happened. But we're getting the photos, so finally, after change of scenery, we're getting the photos. The struggle though, guys. Oh, wait, this might be a cool shot too. We should do like a behind shot, like artistic Vogue, you know? I don't know.